Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2022 Subaru Crosstrek, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter. So let's get started. You're gonna come to the passenger side, you're gonna open the glove box. Now you're gonna put off this strut on the side, just like this. There we go. Now we're gonna squish the glove box from the sides. And you squish both sides, and then you pull it all the way down. We just remove the glove box. We're gonna check for this compartment, so you're gonna squeeze these pins just like this, and this side as well. So now we're gonna slide this filter all the way out. It will probably never be replaced, and this car has around 26,000 miles, so we're gonna replace it. This is the new filter, this one, and it's the same size as you see. All right, we're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna slide it all the way in. Now we're gonna put back the lid, and then just right here, let's put back the glove box. You gotta hook the hinge right here, as you see, and then just put it all the way back, all the way up. Connect the strut on the side. That's it. Perfect. And this is how easily you replace the cabin filter in this Subaru Crosstrek. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.